If you're thinking about starting a store or you're already in the middle of it, I want to give you the honest reality, not just the highlights you see online. I'll talk about what actually happens behind the scenes, the challenges that no one really mentions, and the things I wish I knew before I got started. At the end of this video, you'll know if Shopify is a right fit for you and your business. The first truth about Shopify is that it's more technical than most people think. When I first started my store, I thought it was going to be easy to make changes to the website design. I didn't know that I would need to be good at programming languages like HTML and CSS. And so these are programming languages that help you really customize and design the back end of your website. And so in general, you could be comfortable with how it looks, but if the spacing or style starts to look a little off, or you want to make changes, you're going to have to know some code or hire somebody to make those changes. That could run you $50 to $100 for one specific change. And through the life of your store, you could have a lot of changes that you need to make. And so there are more skills involved if you want to run a successful Shopify store than a simple drag and drop. The second truth about Shopify that I wish I would have known earlier is that Shopify offers limited seller protection, which means that if a customer has an issue or they issue a chargeback, in 99% of cases, you're likely to lose. And so a chargeback is when a customer disputes a charge with their bank or credit card company. It could be for a couple of different reasons. Two of the top reasons are fraud and damaged or defective items. And so the difference with Shopify versus other platforms is that if a customer were to do a chargeback, not only would the customer win, you would also get a $15 added fee. And as a business owner, this fee can add up, especially if you have customers that have ill intent and want to harm your business. And so it's very important that you have safeguards in place in order to protect your business. And I even went to Reddit to validate my own experience, and I saw a lot of people posting about how they wish there were more protections, but that inevitably it was a part of doing business on the platform. But they did suggest some other platforms that take your side as a seller rather than the buyer. But I'll talk about that a little bit later. The third truth about Shopify is that it can start getting very expensive. You can start off with the most affordable plan with Shopify's Basic at $29 a month. But in order for your store to successfully run, especially if you want it to run on its own, you will need additional apps. And so Shopify offers its very own app store. And so on Shopify's app store, you can choose between over 1,000 apps to help grow your business. Some of the essential ones that you'll need is going to be an email marketing app. This can run you anywhere between $10 a month on the low end to $100 a month, depending on how built out your email marketing is. In addition to email marketing, you'll likely want an app for landing pages. If you're new to landing pages, this is typically a long page that includes the introduction of a product offer with testimonials and the reasons why you should buy. And this one page is crucial to the income of a lot of businesses, so you want to make sure you do it right. Landing page app can run you anywhere between $20 to $100 per month. And then we have the digital download app, which is typically $10 a month. And so as you see, with just a couple of these apps, you can start paying $100 to $300 per month to maintain your website. And so it's very important you consider these costs when choosing which platform is best for you. In addition to the paid apps, you'll also need to pay for a theme. And so the theme is the set design that you want for your website. And so this can be anywhere between $50 to hundreds of dollars if you want a unique design for your store. And so the additional cost of apps as well as themes is important to know before you start on Shopify. The fourth truth that I wish I would have known about Shopify is that there are cheaper alternatives that offer a very similar experience. The first one is Etsy. What's nice about Etsy is that it's very affordable to get started. You have a 20-cent listing fee per item, and then you have a $10 store initiation fee. Outside of those two fees, you only pay Etsy when you sell a product. And so if you're new to e-commerce, starting on Etsy can be a lot more affordable. Plus, Etsy brings traffic automatically to your business through its marketplace. And so it's a lot easier to make sales and get customers with Etsy versus having to bring your own traffic with Shopify. Then we have Fourth Wall. This is truly a great platform as it costs $0 to get started. Plus, they integrate for free with print-on-demand providers like Printify. You can also use Fourth Wall to sell your digital products. And so you can sell both your physical and digital products on this free website. And so in turn for having your website on there for free, they will take a small percentage of of your sales. And then we have Gumroad, which is specifically for selling digital products. And so very similar to Fourth Wall, they will take a small percentage of your sales. But if you make no money, they take no money. And so as you see, some of these alternatives to Shopify are a lot more beginner friendly and don't cost a lot up front. The fifth truth about Shopify is that it's built for scaling, not for side hustlers. And so if you're planning to make a few $100s per month on the side of your full-time job, then Shopify is not the best platform to be on, as it's going to require a lot of your time and energy to be able to list your products and then to market your products to a cold audience. And so there's a lot of learning and marketing involved with having a Shopify store. And so Shopify is great for business owners that want to build a brand that will be around for years and years and years. And so you can't play small when it comes to Shopify. It's going to take a full commitment of your time, your energy, and your money. And so if you reach this point and you're like, Darcy, Shopify sounds perfect for me, I'm ready to get started, then I'm happy to say that you can get started with my link below. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and make sure to check out this video right here for the best bank account.